Ace it in 3, 2, 1. Hey there, I'm Lauren with Ace, and today you can tell I'm outside and you could probably hear the geese in the background, but we have a fun treat for you. We're going to send it over to Chef Jason where he's with his daughter, and they're going to teach us how to make 3 fun recipes on the Traeger for your next movie night.
Thanks, Lauren. I'm here with my sous chef, Ella. We're getting ready for family movie night.
And it's all about pizza.
What? All right, kid, you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, walk me through. What are we doing?
So we're gonna do some exploding pizza dough.
Oh, that came out of that fun tube, right?
Yeah.
How'd that work out for you?
It was good.
All right. So you're flattening it out a little bit? All right, what's next?
Next we're gonna do the sauce.
Oh, pizza sauce. Do you like a lot or a little?
Like a medium.
Medium, okay. You're gonna spread that out? Put a little bit more on there. Oh, there we go. That's so delicious. All right, so you've got a little bit of pizza sauce. All right, what's next, bud?
Next we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese on it.
Mozzarella cheese, a lot or a little?
A lot.
A lot, okay. Spread that out, all beautiful. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. All right, next up, what do you got? The finishing touch is what?
Next we got the pepperoni.
And the cool thing, you can do what? You could do half pepperoni, half cheese if you want, right?
Yeah. I preheated the Traeger to 450 and now it's time to put this on.
All right, let me give you a hand here. Ella, what do you think cook time? 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Maybe 15.
15 minutes. All right, we'll come back and check on it when it's all cheesy, melty, and ooey gooey.
Okay, I think it's time to pull off the pizza.
Oh, man, look at that, Ella. That is beautiful. All right, walk me through this. What are you doing?
Okay, I flattened out the dough.
Okay, flatten it out like a pancake.
And then I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce.
A little bit of sauce.
A little bit of cheese.
Nice little pinch of cheese.
And some pepperoni.
Pepperoni. And now what?
And then I'm gonna squish it like a taco.
Fold it up like a taco.
And pinch all the sides together.
These are your famous pizza pockets.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. All right, and then onto the pan.
The Traeger is preheated to 450 degrees and we're making pizza pockets.
All right.
All right, Dad, how do they look?
All right, let's take a check. I think those look pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah?
All right, we are done with pizza pockets now. All right, Pizza Master, now what are we up to?
We're making pizza pinwheels.
All right, show me how we do this. What dough do we have here?
We have the exploding tube.
Oh, the exploding tube dough. So a little bit of pizza sauce, right? Oh, that looks so good. What's next?
Next, some mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. I like that. Pizza pinwheels. These are like a family favorite too, yeah?
Yeah.
Good deal. All right, what do we finish it with? So spread that cheese out good. Awesome. Last thing?
Just some pepperoni.
A little bit of pepperoni.
Now it's time to roll it up. All right, Dad, cut them up.
Okay, so we're gonna cut this into 12, right? And then we put them in our muffin tin that has a little bit of oil in the bottom. And now we're gonna create some pretty tasty pinwheels, Ella.
Dad, what do we do?
So we preheated the Traeger to 450. These guys are going on now, probably 10 minutes. Okay, your pizza pinwheels smell like they are done. Look at those fantastic things. All right, let's go eat. Dude, nice work. We have 3 easy pizza recipes for family movie night.
Back to Lauren in Chicago.
Happy movie night.
Thanks, Jason and Ella. Such fun tips. Can't wait to give it a try at home. Be sure to check us out on acehardware.com for more helpful tips and advice from Ace, the helpful place.